Alright guys, you must be thinking that I am actually being recorded by someone who's in front of me walking backwards, right? Or maybe even a camera crew. Now, in that case, do you think they'll be able to do this? Or this? Or this? Well, that's impossible, right? Oh, now you must be thinking that, oh, there's a drone that is flying in front of me, right? Now, I'll show you exactly what is in front of me with the other camera, okay? Fine, so that's what you're seeing here. I am holding a selfie stick on my left hand, and at the end of that selfie stick is a tiny little camera which is actually capturing me. So this is the future of vlogging, guys, and this is possible with the 360 camera. It's actually possible with any 360 camera, and what I'm holding now is an Insta360 1x2.